we will be discussing about chapter 8 of class 10th topic heredity from parent to progeny. So I will be starting this topic with some basic points. So first we will learn about what is inheritance. So here you can see eye color. So this mother have green eye color, father have brown eye color. Then what will be the eye color of the child will be? It could be brown as father, green as mother, or a blue, that is new character. The eye color depends upon the dominant one. Suppose their grandparents, that grandfather and grandmother, having brown color eyes and father is also having brown color eyes, then the dominant color of eye is brown. So that's why the child will getting the brown color. And if the green color is dominant, then the child will be getting green color. But you will be thinking that why did the child got blue color eyes? This is because genes form new characters which will be not at all related to their parents or to their grandparents. It is also known as incomplete dominance. And this is known as inheritance, the process in which traits are passed from one generation to another generation. As we discussed, the eye color that passed from grandparents to parents and parents to their children. Now we'll be discussing about variations. Here you can see there are many types of ears. I am choosing these two pairs of ears. Here you can see the ear lobe is attached and the ear lobe is free in the second one. This is human ear, but also they have differences in them. So that's why these are termed as variations. Differences in character within very closely related group of organisms. As you saw, these all are human ears, but also they have differences. Compare all the ears and see what are the differences. So now, what is heredity? Transmission of passing of character or trait from parent to offspring is called heredity. In simple words, we can say genes that transfers from parent to child is known as heredity. There is a major difference between heredity and inheritance. That is, heredity is genes that passes from parent to offspring, that is only one generation. But whereas to inheritance, the genes will pass from generations to generations. Genetics. It is defined as the study of heredity, inheritance and variation among living organisms. It also involves cell division, reproduction and evolution. In heredity, you have seen a word called trait. Trait is a contrasting pair of contrasting character. It is also known as gene. Trait was discovered by Mendel in his experiment. Trait resembles to gene in nowadays. You have heard Mendel. Who is he and what did he experimented and why did he came in this topic heredity? Gregor Johann Mendel. In 1857, Mendel has started working on problem of variations or characters that pass from one generation to another generation. He did experiment on pea plant. As he was a monk, he didn't did experiment on any university or laboratory. He just simply did his experiment in an monastery garden. He have experimented nearly 10,000 pea plants of 34 different varieties. And after the keen observation, he have chosen 7 pair of contrasting characters. And he have proved how the generations are passed from one generation to another generation. So he is also known as father of genetics. Now let's see what were the 7 contrasting characters. So here are 7 contrasting characters which Mendel discovered. So here you can see 2 words, that is dominant trait and recessive trait. Dominant means the character expressed in first generation is known as dominant trait. The character which is hidden in first generation is known as recessive trait. So the 7 characters he discovered was: first, flower color, the dominant trait is purple and the recessive trait is white. Flower position, dominant trait is axial, that means the flower will grow near the leaves, and recessive trait is terminal, that is flowers will grow in the top of the stem. Seed color, yellow is the dominant one, green is the recessive one. Seed shape, round is the dominant one, wrinkled is recessive one. Wrinkled means having fold-ins, as you can see in the image. Pod shape, inflated is dominant, constricted is recessive. Pod color, green dominant trait, yellow recessive trait. Pod means nothing but the P. Stem length, dominant is tall and recessive is short, dwarf. Short or dwarf. So this is very important table. Many questions arises from this table. Example, what are the 7 characters the Mendel discovered, or in which plant he discovered this experiment, which plant he did this experiment. So now from that table there arises another question, that is, why did Mendel had chosen pea plant for his experiment? Because it has following advantages or benefits. Well-defined character, bisexual flowers, predominantly self-fertilization, early hybridization, it is annual plant. That means which grows every year. So because of these 5 benefits, he have chosen pea plant for his experiment. Mendel discovered 3 laws. In the next video, we will be discussing about law of segregation. If you have any doubt, comment below. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of the upcoming video. Thank you.